Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking you through how you make video calls on WhatsApp on your PC. So first of all, you're going to need to install the WhatsApp app. So you're going to go to the Microsoft Store, and in here you're just going to search for WhatsApp quickly, and you're just going to go ahead and install that. And after you have that installed, you're just going to open it up in here. Okay. After you open it up, you're gonna get options. You're gonna have to sync your account. Okay. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to open up WhatsApp on your phone, and you're gonna need to link the devices. So in order to do that, when you open it on your PC, so your PC will be open and WhatsApp will be opened, and then you're gonna open up your phone, and there's three dots on the top right of your screen, and you're just going to click on that, and it's going to show you linked devices. Then you're going to click on linked devices, and after you click on linked devices, there's going to be an option for you to link a device. So then you're just going to go ahead and do that. You're going to click on that, and then you'll either have to show a barcode. You're either going to have to show a barcode, or you'll just have to enter in your phone number. But yeah, linking the devices isn't too difficult, and it's quite simple after that. Then after you open up WhatsApp, it's just very similar to your phone, similar to making calls on your phone. So whichever contact you want to open up over here, if you'd like to message them, you can, and your options over here, whether you want a video call or whether you want a voice call. So yeah guys, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe, and stay tuned for